I thought you were gonna come around to do that feature.
What's up, guys? We're at Loveland for closing day. It's gonna be such a sick day. It's super warm. It's like 40 degrees right now. Not bluebird, but warm. Really stoked to get today rolling because we got free tickets to come out here to Loveland. It's kind of like when we do make it out here, is when someone hooks us up with some free tickets. And that was Daniel's friend, Anthony. So big shout out to him. You guys will see him, but he hooked us up with some free tickets. So we're gonna go kill some Loveland. Guys, this is Anthony.
What's up?
Supporting the channel, giving us some tickets. Super sick. This guy's name is Daniel. He shreds, and we're gonna go get the day started. Man, today's an amazing day. It's super warm, super nice. The park is a ton of fun. A little tricky to get warmed up to, but I feel like we're starting to get into a groove and we're gonna start tearing it up. I'm really stoked on that. So the last time we went riding, I was talking about doing front boards and getting my front board back and trying to land 3 really clean ones in a row. So we just did a front board. I was on how it felt. We're gonna try to really clean it up on that first rail. I like that one. It's nice and steep and easy to get onto. So that's the rail. We're gonna try and clean up the front boards, and then on the lower stuff, hopefully try and do some big tricks and get some maybe some extra bangers for the season edit that we're editing already. Dude, sick cannonball. Cannonball. It's super nice to finally have a spring day where it's like sunny. It didn't dump, even though late season dumps are always sick and help extend the season. Yeah, super sick day. Daniel's killing it today. That's pretty cool. So is this chipmunk or is next one chipmunk?
I think this one.
You want to grab your jackets? All right, guys, like we said at the bottom, chipmunk, here we go.
I thought you were gonna come around to do that feature.
What a sick day. Oh, I'm so thirsty. Oh, there's some water right here. Dude, what a sick day.
That was the leg burner. Awesome.
Today was awesome. Shuttles are actually pretty good.
Dude, thanks for the tickets.
Not a problem, brother.
Super sick.
Yeah.
Fun shredding.
You guys go okay?
I'll probably walk back to the car.
That was fun.
What a nice guy.
I know.
Hey, Basins Park was super sick, but I don't know what's on those rails. Look at this. At least the sticker still looks good. Woo. I'm so happy we were actually able to make it to Loveland closing day. I was talking to Mike Otto about getting a free ticket because he had one he was going to give me, but then Daniel didn't have a free ticket. And then Daniel yesterday was like, you want to go to Loveland? I got 2 tickets. And I was like, how'd you get 2 tickets? And he's like, I got 2 tickets. And I was like, we're going to Loveland. And it worked out perfect. Super sick day. Well, a ton of fun. I wish I was more familiar with that park just because of how sick it is. But overall, such a fun day.
A huge thank you to Anthony for making that happen. We wouldn't have been able to close down Loveland without his help. Super sick, and just a really fun day in general. I feel like I was getting pretty into it. I didn't try anything crazy new today, just
Whatever, dude, that 180 was huge.
I was just,
Let's see that again.
I was just trying to focus on bending my knees more because I know I get that a lot in the comments. I'm trying to listen, guys. I'm trying to get better. Yeah, super. I didn't have any major catastrophic falls today.
Cannonball was sick.
But
let's see that one again.
Well, Jonathan almost actually took his head off, so let's go ahead and take a look at that one again.
Whoa! That was scary.
That's a sticker.
And guys, for today's sticker shout out, we got the real _ Steve Co. Looking sick. Got on the computer. That's so sick, man. He even like gapped it out. Like, dude, I really like how he did that with the sticker. Guys, if you get any of our Evolution sticker or our merch, tag me on Instagram at Johnathan Buckhouse so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs and all of that. T-shirts, hoodies, all of it. It's linked in the description. With that, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. We make a bunch
Cannonball that subscribe button.
Cannonball the subscribe button. We make a bunch of fun, sick videos. And we're about to get into a lot of fun skating videos, but we still have a ton of snowboarding left. So like, stay tuned, guys.
You have to remind them that there's more snowboarding at the end of every vlog?
No. And with that, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.